Hello folks. In this episode of One Paper, 1 Minute, we'll talk about the Isan orogeny, which contributed to the final assembly of the Nuna Supercontinent 1.6 billion years ago. Mount Isa is located in northeastern Australia, and the Isan orogeny is separated in 3 distinct structural domains, with each of them having a slightly different geological story to tell. Argon results on hornblende muscovite and biotite crystals show that each of the 3 domains cooled at different speed rates. This indicates that they were exhumed at slightly different time, between 1.55 and 1.4 billion years ago. Overall, the calculated uplift rate is very low at 0.5 mm per year, which suggests that overall the collision between North America and Australian continents was a soft one, with limited crystal thickening and a modest relief of only 1,000 meters. See you next time, folks.